In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly check your GitHub Copilot usage and activity in Visual Studio Code. To get started, open Visual Studio Code on your computer and make sure you're signed in to your GitHub account. This is important because Copilot activity and account details are tied directly to your GitHub login. If you're not signed in, some of the options you need may not appear, or they may not show complete information. Once Visual Studio Code is open, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the window. There, you should see the small GitHub Copilot icon in the status bar. Go ahead and click it. This icon gives you quick access to Copilot-related options without needing to dig through multiple menus, which makes it one of the fastest ways to check what Copilot is doing. From the menu that appears, select Show Output. This will open the Output panel where you can view real-time Copilot activity and response logs. This area is especially useful if you want to confirm that Copilot is active, see when it is responding, or get a better sense of how it is behaving while you work. If you're troubleshooting or simply curious about Copilot's current activity, this is the best place to start inside Visual Studio Code. If you also want to see broader account level details, go to the bottom left corner of Visual Studio Code and click your profile icon. Then choose Account Settings. This will take you toward the GitHub account side of things, where you can review more complete usage information beyond the live activity shown in the editor. If prompted, log into the GitHub website. After that, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. This opens the main settings area for your GitHub account, where subscription and service details are managed. Next, scroll down the menu on the left side and click Copilot. In this section, you'll be able to view your overall usage summary, your active subscription, and your account limits. This is the best place to check the bigger picture, especially if you want to understand how much you're using Copilot over time or verify what plan is currently active on your account. You now know how to monitor your GitHub Copilot activity, both inside Visual Studio Code and on your GitHub account. This gives you a quick way to check live behavior in the editor and also review full usage